Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change server in Honor of Kings. First, you need to understand what changing your server is. It means changing your region. When you change your game region, your ranked status will be reset or unranked for up to 7, alright, or 30 days depending on version and regional policy. You'll also lose access to region-specific chat channels and event content, and any heroes or skins not available in the new region may not be usable until officially released there. Region changes are limited to once every 180 days. How do you access the Change Region option? Launch the Honor of Kings app and log into your account. Tap the gear icon, that's the settings icon in the top right corner of the lobby screen, and that's going to walk you right here. Check the left corner of your screen, you're going to see basic. Click on basic and it's going to take you here. Under player support you find tools. You select tools and that's going to take you to the tools section. Okay, so whenever I click on tools and it takes me to the tools page, it's usually going blank. So probably the app actually needs more storage space in my phone to work perfectly. So if you don't have a good storage space, then this is not you're going to just keep having issues with the Honor of Kings app. Alright, but then once you click tools, within the tool settings you're going to see the change region option. So look for the change region option or change in region. Now if the feature is available, if it is available for your region, then that's fine. But if it's not available, it may be disabled for your account, number one, or it could be newly activated after you play in the region for 7 days, or it may be restricted due to game policies. So on the change in region, select the new desired region, tap next or change, then confirm the prompt. Make sure you're offline logged out during the change. The game will automatically log you out and relaunch after 5 minutes. Relaunch the app and log in. You will now be playing on your newly selected server. So that's how it works. That's pretty much how it works. So you may be ineligible for ranked match play for 7 to 30 days depending on the current version, and event items and chat channels will update to the new region. You cannot change your region again until 180 days have passed. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.